Engineering is all about precision and innovation, and having the right tools can turn ideas into reality. In today's video, we're counting down the top 7 best software for engineering drawing that every engineer and designer should know. Let's get started. At number 7, AutoCAD. A classic in the world of engineering design, AutoCAD is renowned for its 2D and 3D drafting capabilities. From floor plans to mechanical parts, it's versatile and widely used across industries. With its precision tools and vast library of components, AutoCAD remains a foundational tool for engineers. At number 6, Solidworks. For mechanical engineers, Solidworks is a dream come true. It specializes in 3D CAD design, simulation, and product lifecycle management. Its intuitive interface and robust tools make it ideal for creating intricate mechanical components and assemblies with ease. At number 5, CAD. Used by industry giants in aerospace and automotive sectors, CAD is a powerhouse for complex product design and engineering. With its advanced surface modeling and simulation capabilities, CAD is perfect for projects that require precision and innovation on a large scale. At number 4, SketchUp. If simplicity and speed are what you need, SketchUp delivers. While primarily used for architecture, its easy-to-learn tools make it a favorite for creating 3D models of anything from buildings to smaller engineering components. Plus, it's budget-friendly and great for quick visualizations. Number 3, Ansys. When it comes to simulation and analysis, Ansys stands out. It's not just for designing, but also for testing, helping engineers simulate real-world conditions like stress, thermal dynamics, and fluid flow. It's a must-have for ensuring your designs can handle the real world. At number 2, Creo. Previously known as Pro/Engineer, Creo is a go-to for parametric modeling and 3D design. Its robust feature set includes tools for CAD, CM, and CAE, making it perfect for manufacturing and production-focused designs. And at number 1, Rhino 3D. If you need versatility, Rhino 3D is your answer. It excels in freeform and organic modeling, making it ideal for designing products with unique shapes. Its ability to handle complex geometry with precision makes it a favorite in industrial design and engineering. These are the top 7 tools for engineering drawing, each catering to specific needs in design, simulation, and manufacturing. Which one is your go-to? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more engineering content. Until next time, keep designing the future.